Let me tell you something that might shock you. You don't need to beat the YouTube algorithm. You only need to understand it. You understand? Because here is the truth. The YouTube algorithm is not your enemy. It's your mirror. It reflects exactly how viewers respond to your content. And once you understand that, you will stop chasing views and start creating results. Hello, welcome back to my channel. And my name is Vibe with Double Chief, and I help small YouTubers grow faster, review strategy, motivation, and step-by-step tips that actually works. If you are really ready to finally make YouTube work for you and not against you, hit that subscribe button right now and let's go. All right, here is what most people get wrong. They think the YouTube algorithm is something robot deciding who to win and who to lose. No, it's not. The algorithm does not choose creators. It follows viewers. You understand? Every time a viewer clicks or watch, like or comment, YouTube learns who to recommend that video to next time I upload. You understand? So if your video keep people watching, congratulations, you have already beat the algorithm. You don't have to game it. You just have to build it with the right signal. If you want to grow on YouTube in 2025, remember this three magic signal. CTR. I believe everybody know the video of CTR. Click-through rate. How many people click your video when they see it? Then number 2, AVD, average view duration. How long do they stay watching? Now number 3, season time. How long they stay on YouTube after watching you? Those 3 numbers tell YouTube one thing. This video make people happy or not. And when you make viewers happy, YouTube reward you for it. So instead of asking, how do I beat the YouTube algorithm? Ask, how do I make my viewers stay, smile, and share my content? The secret of beating the YouTube algorithm is not found in analytics. It's found in emotion. Every viral creator trigger emotion. It could be curiosity, inspiration, laughter, or shock. You understand? The moment a viewer feels something, the algorithm reacts. Because emotions, drive attention. Attention drive watch time. And watch time do what? Watch time drive growth. So your goal isn't to upload more videos. It's to make people feel something every time you show up. Ask yourself before uploading, would I stop scrolling for this? Would I share this with friends? If your answer is yes, that's it. The algorithm good. Okay, now let's talk about why small creator can actually win in 2025. You get? Here is the good news. Small creator can actually win easily than ever in 2025 because YouTube is no longer care about subscribers count. It care about viewers satisfaction. That means if your video performance or if your videos perform very well, YouTube pushes that video to a wider audience. Even if you have just 100 subscribers or less. I have seen brand new channel hit 50K views with no fan base. Why? Because they nail 2 things. Do you want to know those 2 things you nail? Clickable idea, watchable story. They nail them. So stop thinking, I'm too small to grow. Start thinking, how can I actually make one person watch till the end? Because one person multiplied by 10,000 recommendation That is a big momentum. You understand? The average friend formula. Let's talk about it. Here is my personal formula for working with the algorithm, not against it. You understand? That personal formula is ALGO. A is attract, click with emotion, title and thumbnail. Then L, lock attention in the first 15 seconds. Now G gives value, true story, not just tips. O, offer more with end screen or next video or teaser. You understand? That's it. YouTube is just testing whether your content keep viewers happy. So keep them curious, inspired, and satisfied. So if you are tired of blaming the algorithm, stop. Because the algorithm is not blocking you. It's mirroring you. You understand? If you want better result, give it better signal. Give a better signal. More emotion, more structure, more connection. You see things falling in place. The creator who win in 2025 would be the one chasing trend. They will be the one mastering attention. So I advise you, focus on this. Make one video that makes people feel something real. Because the moment you do, the algorithm will finally notice you. If this helped you, drop a like, comment, algorithm unlock, and subscribe for more weekly YouTube motivational and growth tips like this. And as always, keep learning, keep creating, and remember, the algorithm doesn't decide your success. You do.